Hey Jonathan, I just wanted to show you this spreadsheet app that I made. So here's sheet 1 down here. This is where the actual thing you do happens. So you just drop a list of nouns, Latin nouns. They have to not have the macrons over them. And I have a really good way. I have a formula that removes the macrons from, like, in one fell swoop. Like you could post a list of 1,000 words and click a button and remove the macrons. Anyway, so then you drop them in here. You select the noun. You click the button, and it creates an array that's useful in JavaScript. I don't have to do anything to this. All I have to do is create enough of these where I can just copy and paste them into my JavaScript code. And I could, like, if I could design this to where it strung this together in some other format that's JavaScripty, right? So you just click on the words, go down one by one, and it creates the array. Now, if you go to sheet 7, this is where some of the programming for this happens. I have the script taking, and when I click on a word, the script takes the word and it puts it in here. It puts it right there where I have the address, and then there's a formula right here. There's a concatenation formula under here, stringing this together into an address that then goes over here and is put inside this. Where's the address? Anyway, I can't find the address. Oh yeah, X5 represents the address. That's this cell right here, X5. So so then this query pulls from Wiktionary according to a table called Pretty Table, etc., and drops the words in here. And once they're in here, I have this down here is where it's all concatenation formulas. I mean, these are all cell references to different parts of the array and the cells in which these words are. And here I have a concatenation formula that strings it all together. So, and then I have it going to sheet 1. So yeah, that's it. Thanks for watching.